God damn, it's cold.
Somebody's got to jump. Travis, please be careful. Please.
Jump right into that tree.
How are you going to avoid that tree?
I'm jumping from our towers.
For this video? What's the date? October 3rd? Alright. Just so the video knows.
Repeat October 3rd. Oh god.
I'll send this first.
Doesn't seem near
Sure.
as fun anymore.
How long could this thing record for?
It will go for a while.
Okay.
Oh, this is how we got ready.
Nobody's ready.
Everybody's scared.
Yeah. Hi. Oh God.
How am I supposed to
No,
record
Sam
this?
was on. They float and it's just in case. Hey boys, you ready? Alright, Josh,
Ew, that water looks so gross.
Not going now.
That feels amazing!
Oh,
That was awesome!
I still don't really.
Hi, Caitlin.
Oh, that's señorita.
Nice, man.
Who is next?
I know, I almost put this one down again, even though it doesn't look like it.
No, no, just leave it on. Yeah? You good, bud? What? Yeah. Yeah?
Don't lose the sandal.
They float, I'm pretty sure they float.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, we'll find out in a second. Alright. Holy shit!
Oh god dang it.
How's that, bud? Cold! Cold. Actually, I feel pretty good being out of the water right now.
You can do it, Buenos.
You can. Holy fuck! Travis, how you gotta do it.
Holy fuck. Oh shit.
Come on, Travis.
He's getting out.
Go,
And
Travis,
again,
go.
and again.
Go,
You
Travis,
can do
go.
it.
Oh, God.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, there he goes. He's just booking it for the edge. He doesn't even. That's awesome. That is fucking cool, though. Holy shit.